Snow and cold plus heavy rains will come to Spain this upcoming weekend. Benidorm will be no exception. Probably just with an exception of snow. Hopefully it's not going to be snowing out here, but hey, this is an authentic change that Benidorm will be living. We are on the Poniente beach right now, and we'll start our video from here for you to see what it looks like in winter in the evening and what's going on, what will be happening, because first clouds are already covering our entire sky. We've had a few days of incredible weather in Benidorm back again. The Levante beach, the city center, the old town, all areas of Benidorm were packed up with people because we've had some very nice and sunny weather. Very warm as well on sunshine, and plenty of people were enjoying it. But right now, as you can see, clouds covered up our sky, and even in winter, typically busy Poniente beach right now looks almost absolutely desert. Just a few people every now and then, but overall, it still does look quite sad and empty. This weather, the Arctic polar cold, as they call it, will be covering the north parts of Spain, even with intense snow. Not only in the mountains, but in the lower regions. And apart from snow, quite a big decrease in temperatures and in general cold and rainy weather. Our area of Benidorm obviously will not receive any kind of rain, any kind of snow, but we might receive some rain here too. And it's curious because this adds up completely to the beginning of astronomical winter. You know that here in Spain, they do calculate winter and summer quite strange. In our home country, in North Europe, in Lithuania, we used to calculate it by calendar. If it's 1st of December, it means it's winter. If it's 1st of June, it means it's summer. And that was that. That was easy and simple. But here in Spain, they do go around astronomical calendar. This is also why on 21st of June, that's when the summer starts. And it ends up slightly further along, not on 1st of September. Same with winter. Right now, 21st of December is when officially the astronomical winter will start. And obviously, boy, the weather will be very, very similar to what the winter actually feels like. As you could have seen in today's news update, if you didn't check it out, check it out. We always give you the weather forecast out there for the upcoming weeks on what to expect. There might be even -8, -10 degrees at some points of Spain. Here, we might have 2, 3 degrees at night, and then mornings +8, +9, midday +12. This is what's waiting for us out here in Spain. Poniente Beach looks absolutely empty. There's a few boats out there, as you could have seen. Clouds are already out here. Just some boats fishing or enjoying maybe a calm evening while they still can. Obviously, no excursions are done right now. Nothing similar because, well, it's cold and it's unpleasant to go out there to an abandoned island with a boat. This is more typical for summertime, I think. Right here on the promenade, many businesses are still open. We will be able to see them shortly. But by the beach, there's just a few people. This is the reality of the Poniente Beach once it's not sunny and it's not weekend. On a typical cloudy day, this is what's happening on the Poniente Beach. And it's not as pleasant to walk here as in other areas of Benidorm. Usually, Poniente Beach is quieter than the touristic areas such as Levante Beach or Rincon de Loix or the British area, but there's still plenty of businesses who are working. There's 24-hour supermarkets, there's international supermarkets oriented for tourists, there's restaurants that are still open like Alhambra, this one right in front, There's bars, there's cafeterias, there's different types of shops, places to grab some drinks, some snacks, typical roast coffee like Origin coffee. And overall, it's still a pleasant place to be. However, on the days when it's colder, when the sun's not shining, people for some reason stop coming here and they prefer to concentrate in the old town, traditional city center, in the areas where there are slightly more businesses and things to do, especially now during Christmas celebrations. The vast majority of people are elsewhere, not here, are more by the Christmas village and other places here in Benidorm town. Look at how quiet this place looks. Almost too quiet. Some nice viewpoints right there in front. Some of our favorites, by the way, to enjoy the views of Benidorm. Quite difficult to get there. That is also true because there's no elevator, there's no nothing. You have to go down the road all this way up, and it is quite difficult. But look at this. There's barely anyone at the beach. Oh, just a few people out there. There's slightly more. But that's that. Giant Poniente beach. Empty practically. Right now in almost officially a winter. 21st of December, this Sunday, this upcoming Sunday, when we will be on the San Silvestre winter Christmas run, Christmas march, will officially be winter starting. Plenty of clouds are coming out here. We can see in the Mediterranean Sea, there's quite a lot of clouds. Everything's covered up. And also from the other side, from the mountains, quite a lot of clouds are coming. Benidorm's cross right there in front. The old town right here present. Old town viewpoints also right in front. The castle viewpoint does have quite a lot of people. It is more vivid out there than it is here, definitely. People prefer to be in the place with more services, with something where to choose from, than just right here by the beach. Beach is for when it's sunny, when it's nice outside, when it's daytime. But now, by the time we're filming this video, it's around 4:30, 4:40. It's less than 5 p.m. now. But since the sun's hidden already, it doesn't look as inviting. Ooh, look at that. They've put some Christmas tree, but it's not a Christmas tree. It's teeny tiny mini Christmas trees creating one big one. This is actually very, very nice. Look at that. They have some flowers here and then small Christmas trees. This is gorgeous. And they will return these, or they will plant these in different parts of the city, which is also good. These are not just out there without roots. They're going to be able to plant them somewhere, which is great. Look at the hotel. Oh my goodness. There's quite a lot of changes out there by the Poseidon Beach Hotel, by the way. This is one of the hotels that our subscribers do like. We remember quite a few families who were staying usually at this hotel right here on the Poniente Beach. If you've tried it some point in the past, let us know what your experience was. We know right now they're doing quite a lot of changes. They're building a brand new another building right next door. It's going to be very nice. It's going to be way better. And the location, honestly, is absolutely great. More shops that are open out here. Quite a lot of these, usually selling typical summer things, something for the beach. But who goes to the beach right now at this time of the year? I guess someone does, because they're still selling all these things. This part receives way less cars. So as you can see, we're walking by the green part of the road. This one is pedestrian priority, and it is cut for traffic. Only the local residents and people who are going to paid parking spots are able to pass, but all the rest do not, which is great because it's way quieter here from now onwards. Other restaurants and cafeterias here nearby, as you can see, there's more people here, mostly locals, I have to say right now. Tourists are not visiting this place that often unless it's Spanish tourists. International ones do prefer for winter to stay in the city center or somewhere closer to the Levante beach. Ooh, some of the places closed down. I wonder if they're going to be reopening up or if they've closed down forever. Since 1993, that's actually quite a long track. New places, by the way, I didn't know this one, Yummy, another cafeteria / restaurant here nearby. Many of these are opening up, closing down non-stop. They're always changing and shifting. Hotels industry isn't easy here in Benidorm, so you'll see plenty of businesses that are changing constantly. Italian restaurant and pizzeria, quite a big place, I have to say. Also available, but there's not a lot of people out here at all. Slightly more people here by the promenade, but overall, this looks very, very quiet. Almost too quiet for how busy Benidorm actually is right now. Clouds are covering up the whole entire sky, and this will be the weather for the upcoming week. Rain, just a little bit of sunshine, and a lot of clouds. True winter's coming.